In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google account passkey. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part thoroughly and feel comfortable navigating your Google account settings. So let's get started. First, you've got to head over to Google, open your web browser and type in the address bar or simply click into Google if it's your home page. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. Look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, like your email and password. If you've got multiple accounts, make sure you're signing into the one where you need to delete the passkey. Once you're signed in, you'll want to go to the Google account home. This is essentially your dashboard where all the magic happens regarding your Google settings and preferences. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner, which will give you a drop-down menu. From this menu, search for and click on Manage Your Google Account. This will direct you to your account homepage, where all your account settings, preferences, and personal information are housed. Now, with the Google account page open, your next move is to click on Security, which is typically on the left-hand side menu. This section controls all the protective parameters and security settings of your account, ensuring your data is safely guarded. Clicking this is a crucial step before we dive into the specific passkey deletion action. Within the security settings, you should now find the option labeled Passkeys and Security Keys. This is your destination. Click on it and it will open up a section specifically dedicated to managing your various security credentials that help authenticate your identity when accessing your Google services. Here in this section, you'll see different passkeys associated with your account. Scroll through the list until you find the passkey you'd like to delete. Once you locate it, there should be an option to delete or remove the passkey. Click on this and a confirmation prompt might appear, verifying that you are sure about this deletion. Confirm your action to successfully remove the passkey from your account. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a Google account passkey. Remember, managing your security settings is a critical aspect of keeping your digital footprint safe and secure. Making these adjustments ensures that you only have relevant and necessary credentials attached to your account. Hopefully this guide has been clear and helpful in assisting you to easily manage your Google account passkeys. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.